So we introduced the Earth Bundle to give people a more affordable point of entry. It's part of our plan at LifterLMS and our yearly product strategy to introduce new bundles. You might be asking, what is the Earth Bundle? Well, first of all, LifterLMS has a space theme. So we've got the Earth Bundle, then we've got the Universe Bundle, and then we've got the Infinity Bundle. But Earth Bundle is an entry point for people to get in with all the amazing core features of LifterLMS, including our certificate builder, our gamification engine, and so much more, but also a way for you to make money from your online courses and your memberships. So that includes integrations with Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, and if you happen to use WooCommerce, we integrate with that too. So when you come in with the Earth Bundle, you get all that, including our amazing API, so that if you want to develop a mobile app to pair with your LifterLMS, your WordPress web application, that's easy to do. So the Earth Bundle is the best place for you to get started with LifterLMS with a affordable price, with more features and power than anything else in the market in WordPress, and also with a lot more benefits like ownership, control, flexibility, and open source nature of it, so you can customize it further, that you don't get on hosted LMS platforms like Kajabi and Teachable and Thinkific and so on. So the Earth Bundle is a great place for you to be able to get in. We've also got a major update coming with our PayPal integration. So PayPal is accepted almost everywhere in the world. So if you want to bring your course, your membership, or your coaching program, or your school to a global audience and you're charging for it, PayPal is a definite e-commerce tool you want to have in your stack so that you can get paid from anywhere in the world. It's super powerful, and our new integration, or our new PayPal upgrade, brings even more power than our existing one. So you can start using it right away with our existing PayPal, but I'm just letting you know we've got some other new awesome stuff coming down the road for that. And in our other plans, there's more coming with a theme we're working on and some other great things to be the best all-in-one learning management system solution for inside WordPress and beyond. You might be asking though, who is the Earth Bundle for? Well, the Earth Bundle is for freelancers. If you want an easy entry point to get in and start building a site with LifterLMS, to be able to create incredible value by having the ability to take payments and so on, you can do that. But most importantly, it's for individual teachers or subject matter experts that have something to teach, and they want a way to package and monetize their knowledge and experience and their skills into an online course, into an education-based program, a coaching program, whatever you call it. And if you're not a WordPress professional, don't worry about it. There's for many people, getting into LifterLMS is their first exposure to WordPress. And we actually have a lot of training, funny enough, powered by LifterLMS in our academy to help you get the basics of WordPress and LifterLMS. So even if it's your first time building your very first website, we've got you covered there too. And also, we're known in the industry for support. We have the best support in the industry. We really set the bar high in the LMS niche, but broadly in WordPress and software in general. We have a philosophy at our company about not hiding behind the website. We've got top level support. We do video calls that you can come to. So when you get your Earth Bundle, we have these live Zoom group video calls that you can attend with LifterLMS product specialists that will, help you get on board, answer your questions, whether they be technical or strategy related. Even in our highest plan, we have something called Office Hours Mastermind, which helps you have more of those calls. And some of those people have been coming to those kind of calls for years on end. And our care and just nurturing approach to our customers really separates us from everybody else. I don't know if you've ever had an experience where you tried to get help from a tech company and you felt like you were spinning in circles, and the people that you were connecting with couldn't really help you, and it gets really frustrating fast. At LifterLMS, it's the exact opposite. With how you feel. We really value good communication and the humans behind the technology, and your success is our success. Go check out the case studies on our website. Just click on examples on the main menu, and you'll see many people on there who have built beautiful sites, who are making great income from 6, even 7 figures and beyond. And there's so many different ways that people use it. As teachers or curriculum providers or inside their business or inside traditional schools. So go get the Earth Bundle. Get started today. You can always upgrade anytime later if you want. So go ahead and jump on in, get the Earth Bundle, and if you want to upgrade, you can just upgrade and get prorated. And we also have a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. So there's no risk on your end. Go ahead and get the Earth Bundle today. So this is the best time and opportunity to get the Earth Bundle. We've got the Black Friday sale coming up. And right now, with your purchase of the Earth Bundle, it comes with a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Just try it out. It's the best way to try out LifterLMS. And you can also get a prorated upgrade into whatever other bigger plans in LifterLMS you might be interested in during Black Friday, and get the discount up to 50% that we're offering during Black Friday. So really, now is the time to jump in and get your Earth Bundle at the best value, best price. Do it today.